जय हिंद दोस्तों, टुडे we get to know the very pH diagram of flash cooling process. As we are seeing here, in our flash cooling process, we are having the very chamber in which we are having the liquid inlet of primary compressor, which is going to be compressed to point 2, and from point 2 we send direct superheated vapor into the very chamber, which consists of water vapor plus saturated vapor. And in this way, the very liquid, not water, the liquid which is inside this chamber, it is going to take the heat from the superheated vapor, and it is going to convert the small portion or certain portion of liquid into saturated vapor. That saturated vapor from point 3 to point 4, and we can see in diagram, it is going to be the 3 is going to the inlet of the secondary compressor, that is the main compressor. From point 3 to point 4, we are having isenthalpic adiabatic compression process, and from point 4 to point 5 we are having condenser, and from 4 to 5 we are seeing that we are rejecting heat in a constant process, and from 5 to 6 we are seeing with the help of expansion valve we are now reducing the very temperature of that condensed liquid, and that is going to be the isenthalpic process. From 6 to 7 we are seeing that we have again proceeded the isenthalpic expansion process, that is going to be highly irreversible process, and from 7 to 1 that vapor is that condensed liquid is going to take the amount of heat that is going to be cooling load of our refrigeration, again pass through evaporator, and the same cycle will run. As we can see here, from 1 to 2 isentropic compression process, from 2 to 3 we are going to lower down and again convert the superheated vapor to saturated vapor. From 3 to 4 that saturated vapor again going to be compressed to the maximum pressure 4, that is condenser inlet, and from 4 to 5 we are having condensation process at a constant pressure. From 5 to 6 we are going to proceed the isenthalpic highly irreversible process at a constant enthalpy. From 6 to 7 again we are proceeding the expansion process of that vapor, and that is going to be converted into, here we are having vapor plus liquid both, that is the wet region. As we can see in thumb, the wet region is inside the thumb, so here water vapor plus, not water vapor, liquid plus vapor, both state are in this way. And from 7 to 1 we are having refrigeration effect. Thank you.